Attorney Sidney Powell talking about the importance of the upcoming March 21st Unity Summit.
There has been just a massive propaganda effort to cram down Americans' throats. So we've got to help educate each other. We've got to work sideways, horizontally to get information to our friends across the board and get involved. Everybody must get involved now that cares about this country. No more sitting on the sideline.
Congratulations on getting yourself to the National Summit on Unity. The following video is going to show you how to move around in the software, how to make the most number of connections, how to interact with the speakers, how to control your video, and how to get the best experience for yourself at your virtual summit on the National Day of Unity. Stay tuned. Welcome to your virtual event. When you get to your event, you're looking to click on any of the blue buttons. The blue button might say Join Event. The blue button, especially if you're on a mobile device, might say Get Tickets. The key is to click on the blue button. When you do that, you'll have an opportunity to put your information in. You'll have to put in your first name and last name, email address, and create a new password for yourself. So let's just do that right now. Click on the Agree, click Sign Up. That'll put you in the event. And if you're doing this the day of the event, when the event has started, all you have to do is look for the live icons. You can see that on the left, live. You can see that at the bottom, live. You can see that over here, session 1, live. You can also click on Go to Stage. The key is get yourself to the live event by clicking Stage, Live, Live, or Stage. Just hit Stage or Live, and that'll get you to the right place. And when you do that, you will see and hear the speaker. In addition to that, you can also interact with the other leaders at the event when the breakout sessions are open. So just look for sessions. Don't do this while the stage is speaking live, but after the speaker is done on the stage, click on the sessions here. And when you do that, that'll bring you to a screen where you can see all of the breakout sessions. Select the breakout session that you want. You will then see a screen that says share audio and video. What that means is the system wants to turn on your camera and your microphone so that you can talk and be seen. And that'll show you something like this, hello. And if you don't see something like that, hello, what you're looking to do is check your camera settings. So if you have more than one camera, you may have something that's odd like this. Just check on your camera drop down here and make sure you select the correct camera. And when you see yourself and you like the way you're looking there, then you're good to go. Hello, click on Apply. And in a minute, you will actually see yourself on the screen, which means everyone else can see and hear you as well. Only 20 people can be seen and heard at any one point in time here. The rest of you, if you don't get in on the first 20, you can still listen in and see the interaction between the people in the breakout session. When someone leaves, you'll have a chance to take their place. And the last thing I want to show you here, actually two awesome things here, is you can also do some networking. So you know how it's so great to meet all these great people when you're at an actual event? Well, you can do that here as well by just clicking on the networking icon. And so you click on the networking icon here. It'll say, are you ready? When you click ready, it'll ask you and let you know that you will be introduced to the person the system will connect you with. You'll be able to talk with them for about 3 minutes, and then the system will connect you with someone else. So you can quickly get to know a couple of people at this event. You can exchange information there if you want to. And the last thing that you want to show you here is the expo session, where you can actually go to visit the different people in their booth. You can see their content and you can chat with them. You can let them know you're interested in what they're doing by clicking on the register button. You can answer polls that they have. You can see and learn more about those organizations, and you can do that all on the expo. At the expo, you can't be seen on video, but you can chat and you can interact through the chat and read information about them. Thanks for being at this event. I hope you have a tremendous time, make great contacts, and work together collaboratively to win back our country.